Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2022, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to Files application. You can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and others, and also apps. So let's transfer some image. Maybe this one. It could be this one or this one. Could be them all. And then tap here on three dots. You can move them or you can copy them. So let's copy these images and then select SD card. Then you can select to which folder you want to copy them. Could be pictures, and tap copy here. And after that you will find these images not only on your device but also on SD card in this pictures folder. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.